The system of premium. Show me us get to you to nothing. Why you know is an officer? Get to you tribulation. We get a bad reputation, but me not stop.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Quite a few dancehall artists and their associates are currently behind bars. Some of them they behind bars for gun, some they behind bars for murder, and the list goes on. The most dominant one them all know about though is Vybz Kartel, where they on a life sentence for murder. Same for Ninja Man, they on a life sentence for murder. And then we have Movado son, who also they on a life sentence for murder. Now the main reason why me go as far as speaking of Movado son is because you are going to see how it tie into this what me I go say. So those names that I call, the Ninja Man, the Vybz Kartel, the Tommy Lee, the Sean Storm, they are what most people would say the mastermind of dancehall. And I know them alone, you know, but me just a name out them where they behind bars. They are considered as the mastermind of dancehall. So basically, them help to create a lot of things we are going in a society according to what the scholar them would have say. Now we are seeing a product of their creativity, basically the worse than what they did, and get only a slap on the wrist on a go on to hear about this. Over on the other side of things now, we see Jahshii, him drop and get featured in a few tracks over the past few days. In a one of the track them, basically the man are threatened to kill anybody who close to him, we feel like say, yo, them want to get him out. And the man also shared Lincoln tree that him and Lincoln ex-girlfriend Star Dawkins, both of them do a track, and in that track, me see Jahshii says something where it look like a lot of people miss, and in my opinion, it looks to me like him definitely a shade Lincoln, while Star Dawkins not just shade Bree, but she got all out and this Bree wicked. But all in all, whether I no love Jahshii or no hate him, just know say him one of the best we are do music right now. And 10 years from now, when we are have this conversation, we still are going to talk about Jahshii. While none of the prominent one them we have right now, we're not going to remember them. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. If this is your first time, please consider to hit that subscription button and also like the video. So please, don't take a step further until I like it. And remember, leave a comment in the comment section down below. We'll get straight into it. So as I did say earlier, Vybz Kartel, Ninja Man, Sean Storm, them are just few of the dancehall artists where they behind bars and are serve life sentences for murder. Then you have like Ladden and Tommy Lee, them on some gun charge where them not really are serve no long sentences. Now Movado son, him get caught up in the system, and Movado son was charged for murder and arson while he was a juvenile. I think when them say him commit the act, he was about 16 or 17. But what me know for a fact is that him never reached 18. And once you're not 18, in most cases, you are supposed to be charged as juvenile, and whatever the juvenile sentence is supposed to be, you're supposed to be well in that regard. But when they hold on for Movado son, them hold on upon him until him reach 18. Them deliberately, in my opinion, wait until him reach 18 for charge him. And me I tell you, a little youth, life sentence them give him. Them not give him the chance to say, alright, watch you know, maybe him can be rehabilitated and them little thing there. Them basically dash him away in a jail right now. Fast forward to 2022, and remember, you know, earlier me telling you say most of the names them what me call them are the mastermind of dancehall. And once you're a mastermind, there's a high possibility say you are working hard to create something, whether it is for the better or it is for the worst. Based on what most people say, dancehall, whatever them create, it is not for the better, it is for the worst. So that's why I say fast forward to now. We see a little incident happen in our school where two youth a fight over a gathering, and we know about this gathering and other thing. Them thing they sing about in a dancehall daily. Them thing they use in a dancehall daily. It is being popularized because of dancehall, and with the new trend of trap dancehall, it even get more popular. So everybody want a gathering. Two youth in a school a fight over a gathering, and next one use a knife and stab up the next one and kill him. Basically, him dead pan the spot. Now you're telling me, say, the youth will do the killing only sentenced to 4 years and 10 months, less than 5 years behind bars. Them charge him as a juvenile. The incident happened this year, and before the year done, I think it happened about in a March. So we in a December, and film case done already. Them charge him as a juvenile and give him just a slap on the wrist. Now, when me look on it, it is no different than Movado's son situation. Yes, them say man other youth go up on the apps. But that again supposed to show them say, yo, this youth may not be the mastermind behind all of it. Him have elder people who go up on the works with him and all of them things. And when them hold on him, he was a juvenile. But then wait more than 2 years after before them sentence him and basically charge him as an adult. And this youth kill an next youth pan the school compound and only get 4 years and 10 months. I mean, me understand say, yes, him plead guilty. Me understand say him plead guilty to manslaughter. And we don't know the manslaughter thing. It's basically death by accident. You never plan it. It's not premeditated. But on earth, knives must not be in school. And you are bring knife to school every day. That means say your meds and say, yo, anything or anything, you have to kill. Why you bring it if you not plan to use it? You and the youth a fight. Why the knife come into play? First thing first, you're not even supposed to have a knife on the school compound, but you have it and you use it and you only get 4 years. To me, that no make no sense at all. But share your thoughts down below in the comment section. Tell me if you don't think it fair, especially when we look on the situation with Movado's son, who while a juvenile get caught up in a basically the same thing them. And them wait until him an adult, them charge him, and basically give him a life sentence. Over on the other side of things now, we see Jahshii, him do a song titled For Life, him and Lincoln Tree, that ex-girlfriend and cousin Star Dawkins. In the song, this away Star Dawkins have to say.
The girl try race when you done pick a winner. I'm too hot for breed, so your kids them on my dinner. KFC.
Now with Star Dawkins saying that, you have to wonder if it is being influenced by Jahshii. And the reason why me ask if it is being influenced by Jahshii is because a couple months ago, Jahshii and Maryan do a song, and this our Maryan did say in a them time there. So clearly, you see the two female artists, them a punch after Bree like she a punching bag. It's like them a draw Bree into the music industry as an artist. We see her in there as a manager, as a producer, and whatever the case may be. But it's like them want she pick up on a track. So that's a lyrical battle can go on. Cause are the only way me see it. Maryan forward and she diss her. Now we see Star Dawkins forward and she diss her. And the common factor in this or in both of the scenarios them is that Jahshii dip on the track. So that's why I may have to ask, is Jahshii the influence to all of this? But Jahshii also say things that are questionable when him decide to sing this line. So with him saying that, we not have to ask who him attack, because Lincoln Tree that are the only ex what we know Star Dawkins have, because their relationship, it was so popular. Lincoln forward out and he make everybody know say, yo, him and Star good. Them not have nothing. It's just that him find out say them a cousin. Yes, him find out say them a cousin, and him decide say, yo, watch you know, him will cut you off even though she never wanted to end and all of them things. So as I say, Lincoln are the only known ex Star Dawkins have. So if Jahshii forward out and said that, tell me down below in the comment section who no feel him attack. So in the solo track with Jahshii do, in the intro, the opening part of the song, this is what him say. Yo, the man I'm gonna know say him not take no check. No matter who you be, you see me, him they run long enough if you know say yo, nobody feel like say true me and you're a friend, you're real to me. Me know say you're not real. And you see, if you come to the test, me have to go kill a friend. And if you don't remember good enough, in the interview with Jahshii do with Anthony Miller, that infamous interview, the man make it known to Anthony say, yo, if him find out say when I'm friend, I plan to brush him, just know say him and go brush that friend the first. But we also want to go on with him and Skeng and the news and the this and the that we're out there with. Really and truly, none of them no come out fully and confirm it, We see them come forward and say this and say that. But we not see them forward to the people and say, yes, I saw you go. We only can assume. So with him saying if he come to the test, him a go kill a friend, tell him what to think, and him never done this. So this is what him continue by saying in the song.
I'm the one go make my buy gun when me say me treat them on my lie down and me a pen enemy.
Yo, the man I make you know again, say friend not easy, family not easy, cause I'm one of people with the right hand foot. We are drink with him, a smoke with him, a par with him, and them making go buy a gun. So you don't know it cannot be an easy road for you. So I make you know, say yo, him not take no check, cause if him own can make him do that, you as a stranger, you as the enemy, were out there and I said this and I said that. Why you feel him a go drop him guard for you? No, it not go work. But as I said again, earlier in the video, love Jahshii or hate Jahshii, him a one of the best way to do it right now. And if I should bet, me can tell no, 10 years from now, we still a go talk about Jahshii. Jahshii still a go run the place. Just like how you have the popcorn them, you have the Vibes Cartel, the Beanie them, and the Bunty them. Jahshii master the craft already. As a musician, we see man what here over I think Barbados link up with Movado, which to be honest, that linkage was one where me not think me would have see. You understand? If you don't really know what we are talking about and the history of knowing, say alright, Movado and Alkaline link certain way, you don't know Skeng and Alkaline them look up to Alkaline them while Jahshii not really look. I mean there are a lot to it where really and truly is not a link up when me would have look say would have happen, but it happen and it just goes to show you say yo, Jahshii, the man not really a pick no side, even though it can be dangerous, but the man now pick no side. The man now go on like so, yo, I just music the man I do, and I this it there. All about the music, man. Popcorn them link with no say popcorn and Movado them no strong. So yo, may I tell you, it can be looked at a way, but Jahshii, the man great, and he might be greater than how he great right now. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, you have come to the end of another report. Please like this video if you reach this far. And if you are not yet a subscriber, do that now. Bless up.